If you feel like the only thing holding you back from getting results in your business is not having an engaged audience to sell to, then we're going to solve that problem for you today in the next few minutes. Even if you're brand new, if you've struggled for years, or if you're trying to build a business on a shoestring budget. My name is Michael Reyes, and this is my business partner, Jacques T. Morris. Over the last few years, we've sold well over $500,000 in products, software, and services 100% online. We've topped affiliate contests, leaderboards, and built network marketing organizations and downlines. We've created profitable sales funnels, dozens of profitable membership sites, and even coaching programs. But as good as all that sounds, there's only one thing that has really made that all possible, and it wasn't hard work. Now, don't get me wrong, a strong work ethic is very important, but hard work actually has very little to do with getting results. You see, it takes just as much work to build a profitable business as it does to build a business that doesn't make a penny. The key to consistent sales is having an audience that finds value in what you have to offer. And that's it, period. If you don't have an audience, then you don't have a business. The problem is finding the audience and building the audience. Now, in today's world, there's three primary ways people build an audience online. The first way is paying for advertising. Now, this is by far the quickest way to build an audience. The problem with paid ads is that the return on investment typically requires a sophisticated marketing funnel and a sales sequence that actually works. Now, there's a lot of done-for-you businesses in a box out there, but finding one that actually works is another story. Now, this requires testing, tracking, and with the cost of advertising continuing to skyrocket, it can require a heavy ongoing financial investment that isn't a viable option for those with limited funding. Now, the second method of building an audience is capturing search traffic, also known as SEO or search engine optimization. Now, SEO traffic can be like striking oil. The quality of traffic is high and there's tons of traffic available. The challenge with SEO is that it can be very technical and it can take months or even years to get consistent results. Or you can build an audience on social media through networking. Now, this is by far the most powerful and common method in today's online business world because it's 100% free. Anyone can do it. It creates a highly engaged audience and has been proven to work time and time again for virtually any business. Entire businesses have been built from the ground up based on social media audiences alone. The big problem with building a social audience through networking is the time factor. It takes more than a little time to build your social media following, and you could easily spend weeks and even months connecting and scouting for the right audience. That's why we decided to automate the process and create the Audience Toolkit. Now, the Audience Toolkit is a set of simple-to-use tools that virtually eliminate the time-consuming and repetitive work of social networking and builds your audience fast. So let me show you exactly how this works. Now, here we are on Facebook, and in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how you can build a laser-targeted audience that you can put your business, products, or services in front of 100% free using your Facebook profile, and it'll only take a couple minutes of your time. So the first thing we need to do before we actually build our audience is we need to think about our ideal customers, our ideal clients, our ideal prospects. Who are they following and who's in front of them right now? So let's say I am a fitness coach and I'm offering coaching services. Now, I'm not in the fitness space, but if I was, I would imagine that someone like Jillian Michaels, a fitness celebrity, an authority in the fitness space, would probably be in front of some of my ideal customers. So the first thing we're going to do is a quick search for Jillian Michaels. Now, in this case, we're going to go to her fan page, but you can go to any page or profile. Now, once we're on the page, we're going to actually look for recent content. So here's a perfect example. This content was posted 14 hours ago, and it has 1,400 responses, 1,400 likes, right? Now, the one thing that I know is these 1,400 people that have reacted to this content are actively engaged and interested in fitness or whatever this post is talking about. So those are the ideal people that I want to be in front of with the products or services that I offer. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this link that shows me exactly who engaged with this content. And what I want to do is I want to send every one of these people a friend request, because these are the people that I want to network with. These are the people that I want to build relationships with, that I want to start engaging with, because these are the people who I can best serve with the products and services that I offer and who are more likely to be interested in what I have to offer. So now we're going to run the software, and there's two things I need to enter. Number one is a delay, because if we send too many friend requests too quickly, there's a high chance that our account is going to be flagged or blocked by Facebook for sending too many friend requests. And the second thing is the number of friends that we want to send invites to. So in this first section here, I'm going to enter in 20 seconds because I want 20 seconds delay in between all my friend requests. And here we'll enter in 800 because I want to send 800 friend requests. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to click start. I'm literally going to go to sleep because it's getting a little late here, and I'm going to let the software do the work, and we will wake up with a ton of relationships and a huge audience that we can interact with. So I'm going to click the start button, and I will see you in the morning. Okay, so there we go. We have 750 successful friend invites sent while I was asleep, and we let the software do all the work. So now what we're going to do is we're going to run another feature of the software that's going to automatically message all of our brand new friends with whatever message I want to put. And when they reply, we can start to build relationships. We can start to network. I start to get to know the exact target audience that I want to be in front of, who's more likely to be interested in what I have to offer. And this is the audience that I can best serve with the products and the services that I will be offering. Now that's one quick example of how the Audience Toolkit can save you time building your audience. But the Audience Toolkit automates many more tasks involved with social networking, such as adding targeted friends to an unlimited number of profiles, automating messaging to all your new connected friends, sending automated mass messages to existing connected friends, deleting all pending friend requests with no responses, automatically liking content, posts, videos, images, and much more. So all you're left to do is engage with the people that you want to connect with. Forget about repetitive tasks and focus on building your audience and building your business. Download the Audience Toolkit today and automate your social networking experience.
Hey, what's up guys? My name is Eric Green, and I know this is a very weird place to do a testimonial, but there's a point behind it. You know, I've been marketing full-time online since 2012, and a lot of you guys that are looking at this tool right now, you're looking at a way to build your audience, build your influence, generate more customers, generate more business partners through Facebook. The problem is most people's Facebook looks like an empty alley like it is behind me, right? And most people don't have budgets and large amounts of money to go out and do the type of advertising on Facebook that's necessary. That's why this tool, this simple social platform is put together, is so powerful. You know, I've been able to put this in the hands of people that I work with, and they are literally able to build conversations daily, find new prospects, and close sales on a daily and weekly basis by just leveraging this tool that works in the background, right? So whether you're at work, whether you're at play, whether you're spending time with your family, this tool is going to work for you. So enough of the empty sort of Facebook, no engagement, nobody coming, nobody looking at your product, services, or opportunities. You need to grab this tool, guys. It's unbelievable. And the pricing on this is, it should be 10 times, 20 times what these guys are charging, guys. So take advantage of the tool. It is an absolute no-brainer, and you will love it.
Hey guys, Jason here from Levere Solutions, and I wanted to do a quick testimonial on the Simple Social Toolkit. The Simple Social Toolkit changed my business from the day I started. I've gone from a business where I was only making 1 or 2 sales a month. I now make 1 or 2 sales a week on multiple streams of income. So it's really changed my life. Basically what I do is I set up the tool to run at night right before I go to bed. I no longer have to stay up screening profiles. I set the tool up, let it run, and I wake up to lots of post engagement and messages every morning. So it's really helped my business. And one thing that's really nice about it is that I can target specific groups of people like entrepreneurs, network marketers, or, you know, if somebody's in health or wellness, then you can target those types of people as well. So if you're thinking about getting Simple Social, don't think about it. Go ahead and do it and get started today.
Good afternoon. This is Timothy T. Dub Williams, and I'd like to give you from sunny California, Los Angeles. I'd like to give you my take up on this simple social tool and what it's done for me in the last few months. I have over 5,000 targeted leads on my page for the very first time. For the first time, people are engaging with me. No more wasting money on solo ads and Facebook ads. Thank the Lord. Listen. I'm excited. For the first time on my cell phone, using this tool, I went over $10,000 in a 2.5 week period. I am so fired up. I'm so excited. You got to get this tool. Simple Social Tools has changed the game. It's a game changer. If you're looking to take advantage of what is going on out here, you can't build a business less expensive with this powerful tool. Join us, become a part of the family, Simple Social Tools. Thank you, guys.
Hi, my name is Lisa, and I'm from Chicago, and I'm here just to do a very quick testimonial about an incredible new product that I purchased called Simple Social Tools. I am a newbie to social media, and I have to say this product could not be any easier to use. I am not a techie person, and all these other programs out there that they offer just seem to take so much time to install and to work and to figure out, and this is the complete opposite. I was up and running within 15 minutes. It has 4 amazing features. 2 of my very favorites are it adds Facebook friends for you at a push of a button. And truly, you want to build the largest audience that you can. Those are future prospects, clients, customers, no matter what industry you're in. And this system does it automatically and can narrow it down to the specific kind of customer that you would like. And it also has an automated messaging feature, which I also love. You can invite people to webinars. You can share information with them. You can have them even check out a product that you're wanting to sell. And it does it literally at the click of a button. You just program it. It can set all different kinds of messages simultaneously to your audience, and it's an amazing product. I'm just blown away, and it is a must-see. You will not be sorry. Simple Social Tools will grow your business leaps and bounds. Have a great day. Thanks.
Hi, my name is Sharon Shepard. I'm from Stewart, Virginia. I have been using Simple Social Tools for several months now and building my targeted audience. Before I found the Simple Social Tools, I struggled to build an audience. But now with Simple Social Tools, it's very, very simple and easy. I highly recommend Simple Social Tools.
Hey everyone, this is Christopher Davis from the DMV. I wanted to get a quick testimonial on Simple Social Tools. Now, life before using Simple Social Tools on social media was very tedious, very long, very time consuming. Now, after using Simple Social Tools, it's very simple to use. Number one, it took less time because it automates the process of using social media to grow your following, to grow your influence. One of the best tools within the simple social tools, I think, was that I use and I love to use is the like tool. It helps you like a person's post, which gives them engagement, and then they also come back and give you engagement. Another great feature, which is I think is the mecca of the Simple Social Tools, is the Add Friends feature. It helps you grow your influence. It helps you grow your friends on your social media platforms, and one of the best tools out of all the tools in Simple Social Tools. Once again, if you're looking to grow your influence and grow your social media market, I would recommend you getting Simple Social Tools.
Hi, my name is Al Rogers out of Orlando, Florida, and I would highly recommend the Facebook Audience Kit from Simple Social Tools. Prior to using the tools, I was struggling in terms of building a Facebook audience, struggling with audience engagement. But after using the tool, I was able to start a brand new Facebook profile. And with this profile, I've been able to actually build a custom audience. And this audience, I tell you, is a lot more engagements. So I'll put a post out there and I get a lot of more likes. I get more comments. I get a lot more shares. And I'm able to build this audience quickly using the friend request automation feature. I'm able to send those requests out. And normally within 24 to 48 hours, I normally get a 20 to 25% friend request or friend acceptance. So that's huge. So if you're looking to build your brand, your business, you want some more engagement for your organization, I would definitely recommend using the Simple Social Tools and specifically the Facebook Audience Toolkit. Go ahead, give it a try.